Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of logging into Udemy Business efficiently. To start, head over to the main Udemy website. Look for the login button positioned at the top right-hand side of your screen. Clicking this will move you forward into the authentication phase. Once the login page loads, you will see several different ways to sign in. For the most streamlined experience, I suggest clicking the Google icon. This is a very fast way to use your current Google account details, which means you won't have to remember a separate password. After you click the Google icon, simply choose the specific account you want to use from the list of active sessions. It is vital that this Google account is already connected to your Udemy profile. Otherwise, you might have to follow some extra steps to link them together. Now, if your goal is to reach the Udemy Business platform specifically, you should first navigate back to the primary Udemy site. From there, your next task is to find the Udemy Business option. It is usually easy to spot, but if you can't see it, try scrolling down to the bottom of the page, as it is often located in the footer area depending on your location. Once you find the Udemy Business link, click it to proceed to the section built for organizations and their employees. At this point, you need to find the login button again. It should be quite visible, but keep in mind that the layout might change slightly depending on your device or recent updates. After clicking Login, you must identify your account type by selecting the On-Demand Learning option. This specific choice is for users with business accounts who want to go straight to their personal learning dashboard. The next part is very important for security. You will be asked to type in your business email address. Make sure you enter the exact email associated with your company's Udemy account to prevent any errors. Following this, an additional security verification step will appear. This is a standard process to keep your data safe and only takes a few seconds. Once your email is confirmed, the final step is to enter your password. Ensure it is the correct one for your business account, but don't worry if you've forgotten it, as there is a reset option available. Finally, click Continue, and you will have full access to a wealth of professional development resources. Remember to keep your browser updated for the best performance, and consider using a secure password manager to make future logins even faster. You are now all set to start your learning journey and improve your professional skills. Enjoy your training.